Welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check if someone is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Head over to the command prompt window. This is the command prompt window you are seeing right here. Now, what we are going to do is that we're going to type this command. We want to type ipconfig. Now, when we type ipconfig, we have the default gateway's IP address, which is located inside the wireless LAN adapter right here. So we're going to copy the default gateway's address. Then we're going to type this. We're going to type ping-t and input the default gateway's IP address. When we ping this and we get some replies, then what we're going to do is we're going to cancel this. Then we're going to clear the screen. Then we'll type this command app-a. When I type app-a, it's going to show me a list of the app resolution protocol table. Now what we are going to do is that based on our gateway's IP address, this is the most IP address that looks like it. You can see our gateway's IP address starts with 192.168.146.148, and the IP address we are seeing here is 192.168.146, basically telling us that it is part of the same network. So this is where we are going to check for the devices connected on the network. Now you can see that we have only two devices that look like the gateway's IP address, simply telling us that there are two devices connected on the network. And we know our gateway's IP address ends with 148, and there's another device that has 255, which is my laptop. So if I was to see another device connected here, and that means someone is actually connected to my Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.